Hi class, welcome to the beginning of the week again. We just have a few more days left in the quarter. I really hope we all take the time to reflect and finish strong here with this quarter and get our best work in now. I want to take a moment to go over this week's weekly outline with you. You can see here I don't have it linked yet because we're not at the end of this week yet, but in a couple of hours, if you click on this link here, you will be taken to this page here. Notice you'll see this. For some of you who have been watching videos or doing some of the assignments, maybe this image is somewhat familiar for you. This is our discussion, at least all of you who are in class, this discussion of competition should be familiar with you. The link will be here. We got this nice quote from Michael Jordan. I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. So I always like to have those inspirational quotes there for you. Please make sure to take a minute to read this message. We just have a few days left in the quarter. I'll give you the highlights. Many of you are checking your grades frequently and letting us know you think something was incorrect, or you're letting us know that something wasn't scored. A good example of this is Edpuzzle. If you don't finish those Edpuzzles all the way through, you only watch 80 or 90% of them. You don't get a score for that. You have to watch the whole video or you'll get a 0. So please make sure you're finishing those. Also, Mr. Watts and I opened up many assignments at the beginning of this quarter when students were telling us they were struggling to gain access. And just other struggles. But please do not expect us to unlock any assignments here in the future for the next couple of weeks. We had plenty of time. Do not expect that. Make sure that you are completing the work that you can complete, whether it be an assignment that's missing from the previous week or the week you are working on here. So let's make sure we focus on those. Juniors, here's some of your work for the week. You have these 4 assignments. We'll go over those here in a second. You will have a bell ringer. Seniors, you're going to have this discussion post titled Species Interactions. For seniors, let's take a look at your assignment here real quick. You'll come back to the home page. You'll go into discussion board. And then you will have this assignment here. Notice it says it's not available. It is locked. So what I will do is I will take you to the unlocked version here real quick so you can get a preview of what it looks like for you. There will be 2 videos here for you to watch. One's about predator-prey. The other one's interactions between species populations. This is worth a little bit more this week. It's worth 18 points, 12 points for the questions, 6 points for the responses. So please make sure you're thorough and you're responding with that, yes, I agree, and here's why. Also, please make sure you're acknowledging the person you are responding to. For example, if I am responding to Mr. Watts, I would say, hello, Mr. Watts. I disagree with your comment. Here is why I disagree. But these are your 4 questions. Those are your 2 videos. We'll go back here. For juniors, we're going to take a look at your assignments here. They're in modules. Notice we have quite a few assignments up here, so I don't want you to get confused. Come back to this weekly outline. Notice all found in the Chapter 8 module. There are 2 Edpuzzles. There's a matching assignment and a quiz. Species interaction and fundamental niche are the first 2. So notice Edpuzzle for species interactions, Edpuzzle for fundamental versus realized niche. And those go along with this 8-2 notes. Those of you who like to have the notes, take time to open these notes and go along with those. The species matching assignment. This one is unique, and I will show that to you here in a minute. And then obviously you have a quiz that's wrapping up the whole week. Please make sure you're doing this quiz last. As for the species interaction matching assignment, I'm going to go ahead and click on that so I can show you how this assignment works. Notice when we load this page, you're going to have some choices, A, B, C, D, all the way down. These are all our different types of species interaction. I've noticed that I've tried this already twice. I'm going to go ahead and begin this again. And what you'll see when you get down to the bottom is we have our choices: parasitism, mutualism, competition, predator-prey, and we have some letters down here with possible answers. What you want to do is take a look at, let's say, let's pick C. We did this one in class quite often. Letter C, we should all remember. Now, I'm not going to give you all the correct answers, but letter C, we can remember which one that is. And we'll take that and slide that to the correct answer. Let's just take another one, letter N. This may be correct or incorrect, but let's pretend that letter N, that we believe that that is commensalism. Well, I'll take it, I'll drag it, and I'll drop it in here. Please make sure you drag and drop all of your answers into any correct spot that you think they go into, and then notice you have 2 spots to submit. When you submit, it'll tell you that you are done, and we'll just go ahead and send these to random spots. Again, you will be looking back and forth at these pictures to get them into the correct spot. I don't believe I have an even amount for each category, but then let's say we submit. Notice it's going to ask you to verify your submission. You click submit again, and you'll get a score, 0 out of 15. Wow, I did great. I didn't really try on that one, but we get the point here. And then when you are done, you go back and finish the last assignment. Anyway, those are the assignments that you guys have this week. Again, seniors, your class discussion. Juniors, you have open the notes to go along. This as far as notes that follow along with these assignments here, and then you have the quiz. So in this Edpuzzle, I should mention as well, in this Edpuzzle here, you're watching 2 videos and answering some questions. So good luck with the week. Any questions, please email us, inbox us. Have a great day.